Hello friends! In our last video, we discussed the 5 major mistakes in AV integration. Starting today, we are launching a deep dive series where we will understand every component in detail. And our first and most important topic today is audio. People say that video is king, but the truth is, without great sound, even the most stunning visuals will fail. In simple terms, audio is just vibrations that reach our ears through the air. In AV integration, our goal is to capture these vibrations, process them, and deliver them to the right place so that the listener gets crystal clear sound. In any AV setup, audio passes through 3 stages. Input, where the sound begins. Processing, where the sound is cleaned and controlled. Output, where we finally hear the sound. 1. Input devices. First, let's talk about input devices. At the top of the list are microphones. These come in different types. Lapel or collar mics. These clip onto the collar, perfect for presenters. Handheld mics, the ones you hold in your hand, ideal for Q&A sessions. Gooseneck mics. These are fixed on podiums or tables. Ceiling mics, which are installed on the ceiling in modern boardrooms today. 2. Processing devices. Moving on to number 2, processing devices. Once we have the input, the sound goes into a mixer or a DSP, digital signal processor. Its job is to remove echoes, cancel out noise, and balance the volume of different mics. In AV integration, the DSP is the most critical component. 3. Output devices, speakers. Lastly, we have output devices, which means the speakers. In the output stage, we typically use ceiling speakers. These provide uniform sound throughout the room. Wall mount speakers, usually used in large halls or auditoriums. Active versus passive speakers. Active speakers have an inbuilt amplifier, while passive speakers require an external amplifier to work. In AV integration, simply installing a speaker isn't enough. We have to consider the acoustics. Is the sound echoing in the room? Is the person sitting at the very back hearing the sound as clearly as the person in the front? This is what we call a perfect audio integration. So friends, that was a basic overview of audio. In the next video, we will talk about video integration and the roles of HDMI, 4K and displays. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.